Hello friends, welcome back to Value Connect. I'm ready with my views for Monday, that is tomorrow, what to do in stock market and what should fetch money for me. Money in the sense good profits wherever I'll be trading. So जैसे मैंने मेरे पिछले वीडियोस में कहा है कि मेकिंग मनी इन द स्टॉक मार्केट इज नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट बट not also easy. For getting consistent profit in the stock market, what is required? You should have proper knowledge in terms of technical analysis, in terms of fundamental analysis, depending on your views, whether you want to be swing trader or short-term positional, or going to be in the market for long views, long-term investments. सो आपको कंसिस्टेंटली मार्केट को देखना है, वॉच करना है, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द मार्केट, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग पर्टिकुलरली इन योर स्पेसिफिक स्टॉक वेयर यू वांट टू पुट योर मनी एंड गेट proper profits. Proper profits, what is the definition? It is not you deploy your capital in the market today and you fetch 100% in the same day. It requires patience. It requires the proper understanding of the chart studies, the movement of the candles, movement of the patterns, and then with your safe practices, whether it is favoring your thought process, keep making the upper levels for getting better gains, or come out with smallest stop loss so that we can preserve our capital and wait for another opportunity. So let us see. I'm trying to take you through a small session on Nifty 50 stocks, which are which is formed with 50 stocks, blue chip companies, and we will see how quickly within 10 minutes we can see the opportunities in at least 5 to 10 stocks, so that we can trade tomorrow depending on its movements on intraday or positional or swing, and make profits from ranging 3% to 7%, 10%. I think that is enough for you to make 10%, because in 7 to 10 days or 3 weeks, no bank will offer you the interest on your FDs like 10% or 15%, which is possible in stock market. So need patience, studies, and risk management. So let us see. You can see the list of Nifty 50 stocks. We will quickly run through how it looks like. So here we are on daily time frame of each chart. We will quickly go through how it appears, starting with Asian Paints, Cipla, Dr. Reddy, HCL Tech, HDFC Bank. I have made some lines here. I will explain it later stage. ICICI Bank, Infosys. So in each stock, if we look at the charts on daily basis, on daily candles, we are finding something happening. The trends, uptrend, then resistance below, above which it is trying to break. Okay, this is in Infosys. JSW still, it has made a movement up to the support level, so we still need to wait. If it crosses 10981110, I think this should be better price to enter into the stock. Nestle India, I have already recommended this stock on my WhatsApp channel. If you are interested to join my WhatsApp group, you can click on the links given in the description, and I will add you in my group, which is free of cost. Let me tell you one thing. I am not SEBI registered advisor, so my views are purely based on the education views, education purpose. So everyone engaged with me on my WhatsApp group needs to do their own study and enter into the stock market, because stock market is not very easy if you don't have the proper resources on understanding the charts and market situations. You may be trapped, and probably for a long time you have to be in the position for certain stocks. You have to bear the losses sometimes. So please try to take consultancy or advice from your financial people who are managing your business. I will not be responsible for anyone's losses if you are doing any wrong trades. Further, we go to TCS. TCS is making move, but we have to wait. I'm seeing the target of TCS up to 3,400, 3,500. So it is good opportunity to enter into TCS, because for long time IT sector has remained on negative side. Now it is trying to make a bounce back. So find out opportunity in Infosys as well as in TCS. Ultratech Cement. Ultratech Cement is moving in channel. The most likely chances are to have its prices fallen up to 11,300, but the upper side possibilities are 12,000, 12,500, 12,800. So keep eyes on it. Going forward, Adani Enterprise, I don't see much happening here, but we have to be careful if we want to enter, being its high price, say around 2,230. You can, as a practice of adding good stocks in your portfolio for long term, you can keep adding this stock as SIP, systematic investment plan, to your portfolio. At a time you can add 2 or 3 shares in your basket. The upper price can be seen up to 2,400, 2,500, 2,600 in next 5 to 6 months time. Next is Adani Ports. Adani Ports is bit stuck here, so we have to wait unless it crosses 1,500. Next is Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital is making move. It is in uptrend. We can see Apollo Hospital is in complete uptrend. This is the base. So we can think of entering here. The targets will be around 7,500, 7,700, 7,900. So this is your call to enter into this script based on your own studies and strategies. Next is Axis Bank. Of course, Axis Bank has fallen a bit since last 5 to 6 weeks, and you can accumulate this stock for new moves up to 1,330, 1,400. So whether you have Axis Bank or ICICI Bank in your portfolio, you can hold it. Bajaj Auto, you can see the trend here. It is uptrend. It is making inverted flag and pole. So this is our baseline, say 9,040, 9,050 should be the entry. Possible levels are 9,500, 10,000. So do your study and apply your strategies to enter into this stock. As I said, this is the list of Nifty 50 blue chip stocks. In any stocks, you can add up small positions for long term. Bajaj Finserv is falling, so I don't advise to enter into this stock at this moment. Bajaj Finance, same story. BEL, this company is delivering the products towards defense sector. So accumulation at this phase, at this stage, at this price is always good. You can see the bottom levels at this range. 360, 380, the recent low was around 380, and from here it is mm, making comeback upside. So you can think of entering into BEL. Bharti Airtel, only good company at this moment in telecom sector. It is near all-time high. Always good to have this stock in your portfolio for long term. Coal India, we can see what is happening in Coal India. This is the base. Base, and this is the resistance. So we can say this is box. 402 is good price to enter into. We can see the upcoming target as 440, 460, 480. So this is my view. Do your study and enter into this stock. Eicher Motor, the company who is manufacturing the Royal Enfield, the dream bike nowadays for all the youngsters, not only youngsters, all kind of all type of all age uh, people are using Royal Enfield. You know what is the magic in riding a Royal Enfield? This is the all-time high level of the stock, so you can enter into this stock with SIP, one quantity at a time. So there are possibilities that you can get 3 to 400 rupees fall to add the next quantities. So iShare is one of the good stocks to enter into. Eternal is not performing at this moment, but near to 80 to 70, it is good to enter in this stock, being large cap company into the old name, Zomato. So into deliveries of all foods from different restaurants and fulfilling the uh, dreams of door delivered food for their customers, making good in the market. Grassing is another good stock to enter. You can see the level since 2024. It has not broken this resistance. So about 2900, it will have another level of 3000 plus 3100. So good to enter at this price. The addition can be done near 2800, 2700, which is unlikely to happen. We go to the next stock. It is HDFC Life. Avoid HDFC Life at this stage. So good price should be around 720. Sorry, at 720 you can think of entering if stock is falling and making any breakout here or the reversal from here. So around 720, 730, 740, you can enter into this stock. Wait for some time. Hindalco, as it was suggested a few weeks ago on my channel, Hindalco has already made good move up to 872. I think the next movements for achieving the price of 1000 is not far. So Hindalco is good option to enter into. Hindustan Unilever FMCG company, the stock has seen significant fall in the prices on weekly time frame. You can see it is available to buy at 2285. So at this range, wherever you can buy, say 2200 and 2300, it is good. You can definitely get the benefit of 2500 rupees, that is 200 rupees per share gain is possible. So good to have the stock in your bucket. Indigo, the recent scenario of delaying the flights and the unmanaged transactions, government has already penalized Indigo. Somehow, Indigo is making to improve the situation. So you can also think of adding this stock in your basket at 5,000 rupees. If it is possible to get, you can buy, because see, at 4934 it has made breakout and reached up to 6,300 and 1,500 less. Availability on the price is good to buy this share at this price. Going forward, I don't see much happening on ITC. ITC has made a very huge bottom side, no much movement, but it is like you buy and forget kind of stock. I leave it up to you. Even you need not go and check every time what is happening on the charts with such small line charts available in the list, stock list. You can guess what is happening, and you can particularly click on that stock and study in deep on the charts. Geofinance, good to accumulate at level of 290, 287, and the upside can be around 315, 325, 336. Not much than that. It is going to be no, long-term holding stock, not immediately, maybe another 5 years. You will see it is trading near 400, 500, 700 rupees. So it will take long time. Kotak Bank, always good to have. You can see the highest price was 2296 and now it is available at 2164. The quick pattern, if you see, it is like cup and handle. So you can enter or wait until it crosses 2200 and then you can enter for next level up to 2300 and plus. Kotak Bank is good buy. L&T, anytime you can buy. The next target are same, up to 4,200, 4,400, 4,600. L&T is bagging good orders in the market in oil and gas sector, hydrocarbon sector, and particularly in Middle East. They are very much active. The resistance is recently broken near 3,900 and it has made high up to 4137, 4140. It is good to accumulate this stock, L&T. Mahindra and Mahindra coming up with new technologies in their car, ADAS and the EVs. So if you are not able to catch Maruti or not having Maruti in your basket, Mahindra and Mahindra is a good option to buy. Maruti is almost trading near all-time high, that is 16,600. So be watchful. The targets will be 18,000 at the most at this time, or it can be available 700 to 800 downside if we see some fall here. So I prefer M&M over Maruti. Next is Max Health. Max Health is in downside, so I don't recommend at this moment. NTPC, not much recommended. ONGC, in oil and gas sector, it is making the downside movement. So slow accumulation in this stock up to 225 can be done for the range achievement range of 260 plus 270, 275. Power grid in power sector, good at this stage to enter near 260 to 55, but will take long time to grow. Reliance, yes, of course, Reliance has made its high up to 1,600 and it is available near 1,550. So good to accumulate. The ranges will be around 1680, 1770, 2000. Good to hold to uh, improve the quality of your holding, portfolio holding. SBI Life in insurance company is trading near all-time high, but wait for some time. About 2050, you can think of buying SBI Life. SBI, the highest price was 999, and now it is available at discount of 40, around 33 rupees, so near 966. You can accumulate it up to 950. The next targets are not very big, but up to 1100 we can anticipate the gain in SBI. Sriram Finance, after breaking the all-time high near 716, it has made good growth in last 2 months. From 716 it is available at 960. The next target should be around 1100, 1150 and 1200. So you can enter into Sriram Finance. Sun Pharma, pharmaceutical company, you can enter near 1689, 1690, 1700 and wait for upward movement. Tata Consumers, same as DMart, available at good price around 1180. You can enter. The upside target should be around 1250, 1280. Tata Steel, keep it buying. One of the best large cap company in metal stocks. I'm expecting the next target of around 190. Soon it will be crossing 200. Better to buy. Apart from TCS, Infosys, we can see Take Mahindra. It has made a pattern of W, upside. So I can think that the upward prices will be around 2100 in 4 to 5 months time. So it is up to you whether you want to enter into this stock. Take Mahindra, good choice. Titan, another Tata company, metal sector, watches, gold. As the gold prices are moving, Titan is giving good upward movement. Now all-time high near 4,000 rupees. The next target would be around 4,600. You can think of buying this stock for positional duration, say 8 to 10 months. TMPV, since the Tata Motors is splitted, demerged rather, into Tata Motors private passenger vehicles and Tata Motors commercial vehicles, it has seen drastic fall, and since then it is not making very great moves, but good to accumulate in small quantities. Say you can start with quantity of 50 minimum at this level. The next target should be around 400, 420. Trend, different story. Since long time it is falling, and my expectation of its falling was up to 3,900, which it has recently reached and started moving up. Good to buy. The upcoming targets would be 4,600, 4,800 for Trent. If you are visiting to west side for your buying of clothes, shoes and accessories. Wipro, another IT company making small moves, but it has recently came up from 240 levels. In last 1 month, it has reached to 270. About 270, it will be making move up to 290, 320, but very small moving, slow moving stock. I would prefer Tech Mahindra, TCS, Infosys over Wipro. So this was short tour on Nifty 50 stocks, where I have given my views, brief views. Now it is your task to enter into the chart of such stocks where I suggested my views for buying opportunities, and find out your own ways. If you have any questions or doubts, you can put your thoughts in comment section and I will try to reply. So this is all on Nifty 50 stocks. If you have liked my views or explanation on all these 50 stocks, try to subscribe to my channel and share it in your network. This is all. Thank you.